Oh, if you say a man and you wear Bridget, brother. Said every dumb, stupid person me ever meet in my life to rat you. Because what the hell you mean? What the hell you mean? Yeah, me get it. Bridget has been known to create women footwear. From I've known about Bridget. From the first time I hear about Bridget till now. Well, not till now, but until 2 weeks ago. I knew when it said Bridget, me think about female wear. However, the moment I heard that Bridget came out with a man sandal, what the big problem? What's the big problem? Are you stupid? You're dumb. The IQ low, don't it? Because I don't see any other reason. It's not like the men are going into Bridget and purchasing the female footwear and putting it on their feet. No. If somebody do it, then fine. But Bridget came out with a men footwear. Men are going in and purchasing the men footwear. What the problem? What the problem we have? We don't need to grow up and start worrying about things that are actually concerning. It's difficult to find rent to rent somewhere to rent in Jamaica. It's difficult to go into the supermarket and get the adequate amount of groceries for you and your child, or even for you and your damn self. That's what I need to focus on. That is what I need to focus on, and stop focusing on these dumbass conversations that don't make no sense whatsoever. But that's just my thoughts.